Hello children, come back to our grammar part. So from the page number 64, we have started our grammar part. So in the grammar part, we are going to learn the editing bit. In the page number 64, you are having the third bit children here. Third bit, what is the third bit here? Editing. Okay, editing. Already I have explained in the 6th class how to edit the sentences. Okay, if there is a mistake, we should have to recorrect the mistake. Okay, and we should have to write the complete sentence correctly. See here, read the following passage. Okay, read the following passage. Every numbered sentence has an error. Every numbered sentence has an error. Means every sentence. Here he has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, he has given the 5 sentences for us. In that 5 sentences, he is telling that there is a mistake. There is a mistake. That mistake we should have to find. Okay. Every number sentence has an error. Identify and edit it. Identifying is nothing but finding. Editing is nothing but writing the correct word. So finding, editing. These are new words you are able to hear, no? Identifying is nothing but finding. Editing is correcting. Okay, these are editing you will find in the computer. Yes, edit, error, mistake. Yes. Now let us go into the paragraph here. First sentence he has given. The oddest fellow on my class was Bodhraj. Oddest. Okay, odd is nothing but some bravest boy. Okay, courageous or a brave boy. Okay, further we can tell the oddest fellow. Fellow is nothing but it is not a teasing. It is not a teasing fellow. Fellow is nothing but friend. We can tell as the friend also. The oddest fellow on my class was Bodhraj. Now see here in the sentence. Are you able to see? Are you able to see any mistake? Are you able to find any error in this sentence? See here. The oddest fellow on my class was Bodhraj. I have read. Did you find any mistake in the sentence? You may find some or the other place you are getting some stuck. You are getting stuck because of the spellings or because of the incorrect form of the sentences. Okay. So here the first one I will tell for you. The oddest fellow on my class. Is there any meaning to on my class? This is our classroom. Okay, this is our classroom where you are coming and sitting. Okay, on the benches you will sit, on the classroom you will sit. No, so on will not come. Editing. On will not come. What will come? On is the wrong answer. On is the wrong answer. What? We are sitting in the class. In the class. In the class is the correct answer for the first sentence. Got children? The oddest fellow in my class was Bodhraj. Bodhraj is the name of a boy in the class, children. Okay. Second sentence. All of us was afraid of him. All of us was afraid of him. Was afraid of him. All of us. See, second sentence. All of us was afraid of him means the sentence is telling that all the students in the class are afraid of him. Okay, are afraid of him. It is telling. So, where is the mistake in this sentence? Can you find where is the mistake in this sentence? So, all of us. All means was. One person means we can tell normally was. Okay, two are there means more than one means where will come. Got the children here? Was will not come. Okay, if more than one means was will not come. What it will come? Where. W-E-R-E. Where will come. So underline for the was. From the first sentence underline for on. Write in. In the second sentence all of us was given on here children. Was is the wrong one. Where is the correct answer. So all of us were afraid of him. That means all the students in the class were afraid of Bodhraj. Third one. He always had a catapult in his hand and was an excellent shooter. Okay, excellent shooter. That is nothing but the meaning of the sentence is he always had a catapult. Catapult is nothing but nowadays monkeys are there. Yes, now monkeys they are coming from the forest and they are attacking in the in our surroundings. They are coming and eating or snatching or okay, for eating purpose only they are coming near to our houses, and they are destroying fruits, trees, whatever it may be. Okay. So catapult is there, no? The meaning of catapult is the catapult is an instrument which is used for shooting the animals. Okay, used for shooting the animals. Catapult. So here what happened? He had a catapult. He always had a catapult in his hand and was a excellent shooter. What do you do with the catapult? Nothing. Just we'll catch the catapult and we'll make a shooting. We are shooting. Yes, shooting. Yes, so he is an excellent shooter. Now, third sentence I have read, children, here. What do you find an error? Where is an error in this third sentence? Again once I will repeat, children. See in the textbook, everybody. He always had a catapult in his hands and was an excellent shooter will come. So here A is the wrong one. In the third line, in the second line, excellent is there, no children. Before excellent, excellent is there. Excellent, A will not come. A will not come. Article will not come. Okay, before the adjective. So A will not come. Instead of an will come. An will come. So he was an excellent shooter. His favorite targets were birds. Now here continuing the line here, what is given here? His favorite targets were birds, means he mostly likes to kill for the birds only. So he is an excellent shooter. He was an excellent shooter. He was an excellent shooter. And he mostly liked to shoot for the birds only. Fourth one. Listen carefully. Here carefully and see in the textbook, children. He would stand under a tree. He would stand under a tree, take aim and shoot a pebble and the catapult. Pebble and a catapult. That means fourth sentence is telling what here? He would stand under a tree. He would stand under a tree, take aim. Aim, you know, children, everybody? Our ambition. Aim, ambition. What is our ambition? He is the excellent shooter. Yes, sir? Bodhraj is an excellent shooter. He made one aim. He made one aim in his mind. What is that? Shoot a pebble and a catapult. Okay, pebble with the pebble and the catapult. So he made an aim for shooting. Okay, shoot a pebble and the catapult. Here in this sentence, and is given, children. Underline for and will not come. What it will come? With. Okay, how is shooting the pebble and catapult not come? With the catapult he is shooting. Yes or no? And will not come there. So and is the error in the fourth sentence. And is the error in the fourth sentence. With will come, children. This is the right answer. With. Okay, so with the catapult he made an aim to shoot a pebble with the catapult. Fifth one now comes to the fifth one. The next movement, a bird would fell down. What happened when he is making the aim to shoot the bird? What is happened there? Okay, he shot. He made the aim. Naturally, what happens? The shooting was correct. He is an excellent shooter. Yes or no? He shotted for the bird. What happened to the bird? The next moment only a bird would fell down. Now tell me, where is the error in this? Where is the error you can find? So here I will tell for you. F-E-L-L. Fell is there, no? Fell will not come. Underline for the word. Underline for the word which has an error in the fifth sentence. F-E-L-L. Fell will not come. Fall will come. F-A-L-L. Fall. Okay. Fall down. Fall down. So here in the first sentence, children, on will not come. In is the correct answer. Was. Instead of writing was, in the place of was, where is the correct answer? A is wrong. And is the correct answer. An excellent shooter. Son. Next. And will not come. With catapult. Fell not. Fall down. What, children? This is the editing bit for you. which has 5 sentences. In that 5 sentences you have the error. Yes, in this you have the error. Next children, what you should do means you should have to note down this one. Note down this, underline the errors and write the correct words. Total sentence you should have to write in your notebook. Yes, one time you should have to write in your notebook. Next, come to the study skills. Study skills from the page number 65. Page number 65. Page number 65. Study skills he has given. Study skills. In this study skills, what is given? Let us see here. Jesters used to entertain people with their wit and humor. Yes, jester, the person who will tell the jokes and the funny stories. For them, we call the jesters. Used to entertain people. What they will do? They are just going to entertain for the people with their wit and humor. Now we have comedians in films doing that job. Before we have the jesters in the court. In the court, yes, in Sri Krishna Devaraya court, who is the jester? Tenali Raman. Here nowadays we are using as the comedians in film doing. Okay, they are doing the job as a comedian. Here is an interesting passage about the such comedian, Mr. Raja Babu. Okay, read on. He has given Mr. Raja Babu. He is a comedian in Telugu films. Okay, in Tollywood he is a comedian. We are going to read about his lifestyle. Okay, biodata of the Raja Babu. Next, shall we start here? Now see here. Sri Raja Babu. Sri Raja Babu was a famous comedian in Tollywood. Raja Babu was a famous comedian in Tollywood. He was born in Rajamundry. Okay, where he was born? He was born in Rajamundry. Raja Babu. Okay, Raja Babu. Yes, born in Rajamundry. Born. Rajamundry. Born in Rajamundry. Next, afterwards, in East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. So here Rajamundry is present in the East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. That means AP. You can tell in the short form also AP. Now on October, what is the date of birth here? On October 20th. Okay, 20th October. 20th October 1937 means he mentioned Raja Babu born in the place born at Rajamundry in the East Godavari district. In which state? In Andhra Pradesh. Okay, he was born on 20th October 1937. Now children, see here. He entered Tollywood in the year 1960. Okay, in 1960 he entered in the Tollywood. Okay. Tollywood. He entered in the Tollywood in which year? 1960. Tollywood is nothing but Telugu movies, Telugu films. Okay, we have the Hollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood. Bollywood means Hindi movies. Hollywood means English movies. Okay, so he entered. Who entered? Raja Babu entered into the Tollywood in the year 1960 and acted until 1981. From 1960 to 1981 he acted. That means how many years? 1960 to 1981 means 60. After 60, 10 years plus 70. 10 years plus 80. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 81, 1 year is 21 years. He was how many years? 21 years in the Tollywood movies. How many years children here? 21 years in the Tollywood movies. In his 21 years film career, he acted in more than 550 movies. See here, how many children? 550 movies. Okay, he participated. He made acting. He made as a comedian. He is acted as a comedian in how many movies? 550 movies, 550 movies. Okay. Next, come to the next paragraph. Can you imagine what he was doing before entering the Telugu film industry? He is asking one question for us. Before entering into the Telugu film industry, what he was? Listen, directly from after born from the mother womb, we are not becoming any engineer, doctor, a film actor, whatever it may be. We are not becoming. Okay. Before making our profession, we are something. Yes or no? Before making our profession, we are something. But this fellow is also had some lifestyle before the entering into Telugu industry, film industry. Okay, believe it or not, if you believe it or not, what he was working as a Telugu teacher. See here, children, what he was a Telugu teacher teaching in the school. Okay, imagine how much fun his students might have had. Imagine, guess how much. He is a comedian, no? Imagine that how much his students might have enjoyed during teaching his classes. Okay, between 1955 and 60, 1955 to 60, between 1955 and 60, he acted in many dramas along with the teaching. Okay, after teaching from 1955 to 60, that means 5 years. What he has done? He has participated in the dramas. Okay, dramas. 1960 was a milestone in his life because that was the year in which he had first chance to act in a film called Samajam. Okay, in 1960, he participated as an actor or a comedian in the movie Samajam, S-A-M-A-J-A-M, Samajam. Okay, children, are you understanding here? So he has acted in the dramas for 5 years, and there was a milestone. Means a luck was came. A good luck has come in his life. What after 1960, in the year of 1960, he acted in a first movie. What is the name of that movie? Samajam. Okay, Samajam is the first movie. Then onwards, he never looked back. From that time onwards, he never looked back. Why? Because back life. What is his back life? He was a teacher. He was a dramatist, and he did not go for the teaching, and he did not make any drama. He married Lakshmi Ammalu in 1965. In 1965, what he has done? In 1965, married. Okay, married. Okay, he married in the year 1965. In 1970, he became a very popular comedian and won many Filmfare Awards. See here how much lucky he was. Yes or no? In 1970, awards. He got many awards. In participating in the movies. Okay, not the simple awards or Filmfare Award, which was given for the celebrities children. Okay, which all these awards are given for the celebrities. Next, his combination with Ramaprabha was a super hit, and they were considered the best comedy pair. Okay, this combination, not only this one person. Who is that person? Rajababu. Okay, Rajababu is not a single one in the film industry. He combined his acting with the Ramaprabha was a super hit. Okay, his combination with Ramaprabha was a super hit, and they were considered the best comedy pair. Both of them are known as the best comedy pairs. Turn the page number, children. In the page number 66, again one last paragraph is there. Let us see what is given here. In 1972, okay, in 1972, what has happened? He acted as a hero for the first time in the movie. In the first movie. See here. First movie. Okay, what is the first movie he acted? He acted the first movie as an hero. Instead of being a comedian, he acted as a hero. Okay, hero. What is his name? What is the name of that movie? Tata Manavadu. Okay, Tata Manavadu. He acted as a hero in 4 more films also. Not only one. His first movie is Tata Manavadu, and he acted another 4 movies also as a hero. He produced films too. See here, after becoming the teacher, after becoming the comedian. Okay, comedian. He became after becoming the teacher, he became the dramatist. Then afterwards, he became the comedian. Made some movies. After that, making the movies, he too participated as a hero. Lastly, he became the producer also. In 1974, he produced the film. After becoming the producer, he made one movie. What is that? Evariki Vare Yamuna Tire. What is that? Evariki Vare Yamuna Tire. He produced one movie. His film career were to an end in 1981. Lastly, in 1981, I have explained here. 1981, and he made end making the movies. Okay, film career came to an end in 1981 with the film Gadasari Atta Sogasari Kodadu. Lastly, he made in 1981 he made one movie. What is the name of that movie? Gadasari Atta Sogasari Kodadu. These all are the Telugu movies, man. Okay, he could not act because of his ill health. After that, he is not able to make actings due to the health issues. This wonderful comedian, who was fondly called Hasya Nata Chakravarti. See here, lastly he got one title. What is that? Hasya Nata Chakravarti. Okay, lastly he got one title, Hasya Nata Chakravarti. Passed away. He passed away means he expired on which date? 7th February 1983. Where I have written here? I have written something is here, no here. See, 1983 he was expired, and he was born on 2nd October 1937, children. Now, see here, I have told now one story about the Raja Babu here. Then afterwards, now write the important events in the life of Mr. Raja Babu on the timeline given below. Here one timeline is given. All are able to see no picture here. See, children, all are able to see the picture here. Yes, in this picture, what you should do means I will write the year. One year is given here. 1937 is given. What is happening in the year 1937? That you should write. Again, one box is given now here. In that box, I will write the year. Where I will write it? See here. From 55 to 60, what he has done, that you should write. Okay. Next, second one, from 19, in the year 1960, what he has done. Third one, 1965 in, come to the 1970. Fifth one, 1974. Sixth, 1981. Seventh, 1983. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many? 7 boxes are empty. 7. All are able to see now. One is given for you, 1937. What he has done? He was born in Rajamandri, East Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. Look into the textbook, you will find children here. Next, second one, from 55 to 60. What he has done? In 60s, in 1965. In 70s, 74, 81, 83, 1983. What he has done, that you should have to read the passage and you should write in the boxes given here in the timeline, children. Okay, got? So today's class, what I have explained, I have explained the editing bit and the study skills. Editing bit and the study skills I have explained. Okay, so editing bit one time you should write in your notebook. Then study skills you should have to complete the timeline box in your textbook. Okay, with this I am ending my class. Next class we will meet with the another topic.